Hey everyone, so I'm working on me some kinky twist today. This is day 2, and so hopefully I'll be able to finish it up today. I've been mostly using the time that at night when EJ is asleep, because I do have a small toddler, a 1-year-old, and so the only time I really have to do it is pretty much when he's asleep. So this is what it looks like so far. I did do the rubber band method. I went through my hair and sectioned it all off in rubber bands. And that made it so much quicker for when I actually started with the hairstyle. I always do the perimeter first. So I always do the front, like the front 2 rows and the back 2 rows. That way I can kind of like put it up into a style, like if I got to go to work or something like that. But I'm just going to take this down really quickly and show you what it looks like. I am using color 1B and a dark purple type of color. And I think I need to go to the beauty supply store and buy one or 2 more packs of hair. I started off doing 2 strands per section because Marley hair, it comes in like little pre-section like this. So I was doing 2 strands per plait, but now I'm gonna go down to 1 strand per plait because as you can see, it's already starting to get like really bulky, which I like the bulky look, but I don't want it too bulky. So this is the 16-inch, and it comes right down to the bottom of my breast, and if I put it in the back, it comes down to like waist length. So far I've used 3 packs of black and I'm on a pack of purple. So I think I need about maybe, I have 60 plaits in all. I counted it. I have 60 on my head in all. And I've got 30 done and I have 30 more to do. I'm going to show you what I mean. Okay, so as you can see, the top middle of my hair is undone. I did do the box sections. I just did box, but this is what it looks like. So I did go ahead and pre-section it like that. That way, like when I go to the beauty supply store, I can even pull it back like this, you know, and it won't look so bad. Or I can like try to put it up in a neater bun than what I had and it won't look so bad, you know, with the middle being undone. But, I think I'm gonna buy 1 more pack of purple and 1 more pack of black. But like I said, as you can see, the ones in the front, they're really chunky because these are the ones I started with. So I was kind of still learning. This one looks really, really good. These right here are more chunky. I may redo them or I may just leave them alone. I really don't know. But the ones in the back look a little more uniform because I started getting good at it once I got to the back. I did do kinky twists before, and I'll link that video. So this is my 2nd time doing them, and these are longer and chunkier than my other ones. My other ones were like shoulder length. I think I am going to dip the ends and curl them. But yeah, I like the results so far. But like, I also meant to tell you guys that 19 strands come in each bag. This is the kind of hair that I got right here because this is what was at my local beauty supply store. This the Afri brand of Mali Twist. 16 inches. I got 1B and I also got the purple mixed with 1B. So this is what I got from my beauty supply store. I'll make sure to put all that stuff down in the description box. But yeah, there's 20 strands of hair that come in here in this pack. So before I did this protective hairstyle, before I got it started, I shampooed and conditioned with the Herbal Essences Color Me Happy products, and then I left the conditioner on my hair for an hour. Hair was super soft. I put my leave-in cream of nature with argan oil, leave-in spray in, and then I'm using the Silk Elements leave-in hair moisturizing cream as my moisturizer. Let me see. I'm using this as my moisturizer, and then a little gel as well. I'm using this, the Eco Styler coconut oil, as my gel. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you one little clip of me doing my hair. I got 2 strands at the front just simply because it makes it look a little fuller, and then I'm going to just do like one strands at the crown of my hair and stuff like that. I start off with the braid and then the twist. So put the hair in the middle. Want to pull this tight and twist that. Twist it, and then just start to do your braid. See, EJ want my attention now. Hey, baby. So then I'm going to split it into 2 now. After I do this plait, I'm just going to wait on this until he takes his nap or until nighttime. I like to try to hold it right here in the middle when I start to twist, because when I don't, it buckles on me, if that makes any sense, and it creates like a little bump. So I like to try to kind of hold that part, and then I start twisting. Twist the hair, and then twist it around. Twist the hair, and then twist it around. You can add gel or moisturizer along the way, and basically just stay consistent throughout the whole twist. It takes me an average about, I say about 4 minutes for each twist. About 3 to 4 minutes for each twist. So multiply that by 60, and that's how long it took me. It's going to take me to complete my hair. If one side gets short, you can always borrow from the other side like this and just continue to twist. That's my last one for right now. I'm gonna get baby EJ. We're gonna go grab some breakfast, and then I'll just start back when he takes his nap today. Hopefully I can get done today. When it gets down to the nitty-gritty like this, you want to keep twisting. Keep twisting. And then let it go. There's my twist. So whenever I finish, I'll be back with the finished results. Okay, so today is day number 4, and I'm getting ready to go to work. At nighttime, I just put this really big bonnet on. You can find this at your beauty supply store. I think it's called like Jumbo Bonnet. I'll try to see if I can find it on Amazon and link it. But this is really good if you have bulky protective styles. Like, this thing is huge. And I'm almost done with my Marley Twist. I could have been done on day 3, but I decided to look at a movie instead of doing my hair. So this is what I have left. Let me show you. I have 8 left. So I'm almost done. Ooh, they doing a wild thing too. Okay. I'm gonna turn it around, show you how it looks so far. Almost done, but I'm gonna put my hair back so that you can't tell that that little section is done. But what I'm gonna be using, okay, braids, come through. What I'm gonna be using as my I'm gonna oil my scalp with this right here. It's the Diane Essentials Anti-Itch Tension Relief. I'll link that down below. And then I'm gonna spray my hair with this right here. It's the African Pride Olive Miracle Braid Sheen Spray. I don't know why they call it Sheen, because it makes you think of an oil, but it's actually a liquid. So basically, you know, gonna oil my scalp. Okay, this came off. It's broken, but I'll probably do that a little later because I'm actually running late. But just gonna go through and oil my scalp. And then I'm going to spray this on my hair for added moisture. Back. Into this little, I always like to wear my hair like this. I don't know why. Put it back like this. I use a big, like a headband. It's like one of those, you can get this from Dollar Tree. I use one of these for my ponytail because it's so thick. Okay. Okay. But I think I'm gonna twist the ponytail into a little bun. I really hope that stays. So no one even knows the middle of my head is still undone. So I'm gonna go to work like this. My twister coming along. Eight more to go. 8 more to go. Hey, boo boo. There go EJ. I don't know if this one focusing on. This one right here keeps me busy.